Back again with another video, guys. So in this video I'm going to show how to code for a program which converts any decimal number into hexadecimal number. So before we start, I want to let you know that this program is going to be a little bit longer than what we did in the first video, and also the concept is the same as the first video in where we were dividing it by 2. Now what we have to do is divide by 16, and whatever remainder comes out we subtract from the number itself and divide the number by 16, and then we repeat the process until there is 0 in the output, and the loop breaks when there is 0. So now we get started. The concept is the same. So we're going to define our input where user is going to type in type in uh, type in enter your number there, where the user is going to enter the number, and I want integer function. I don't want any floats. Okay, so there we go, and we're gonna define this as a variable called number, and the another thing that I have to do, I have to define a list hexadecimal equals empty. This one I'm gonna leave it as it is, and I'm gonna run a while loop for our variable number not equals 0, semicolon, and if number when divided by 16 has a remainder 1. Okay, has a remainder 1, then what we're gonna do with the number equals number we're gonna subtract 1 from the number. I'm gonna divide it by 16, because when we subtract 1 from the number, it's going to be divisible by 16, and we're going to modify the number as follows, and we're going to insert into our list 0, 1. 0, remember 0 is the index and 1 is our object. Okay, I'm going to repeat the process with else if statement. You're going to type elif number if it is divided by 16 and the remainder is 2, then we're going to modify our number as follows. we're gonna so our number equals, I'm gonna subtract my 2 from the number itself. I'm gonna divide it by 16, and then I'm gonna insert into our list, and our list insert 0 is the index and 2 is the object. That's what we're gonna insert, and I'm gonna modify the number as follows. I'm gonna repeat the process. For I've done the same. I already have copy and paste. I already did it, so this is my way of doing it. So I'm gonna just paste it. Okay, there I go. Okay, I'm gonna explain. What I have done is, whatever that number happens to be, for example, if the number has a remainder 3, then I'm gonna subtract 3 from the number and divide whole by 16, and what I'm gonna insert is 0, 3. And if a number has a remainder 4, and I'm gonna subtract 4 and do the and repeat the process unless I'm here. If the number has a remainder 10, what I'm gonna put is A. If the number has a remainder 11, I'm gonna put B, 12, C, and so forth and so on until 15. I'm gonna write F, and 16, when it is completely divisible by 16 and remainder is 0, I'm gonna write insert this value. I'm gonna and and that is when and this loop will be broken. And what I'm gonna do is print my, okay, I'm gonna use triple F formatted. Your hexadecimal number is I'm gonna use curly braces over here. I'm gonna write my list list, and there we go. Okay, so your hexadecimal number is this. Okay, that's it. And let's see if it's working. I'm gonna run the program. I'm gonna type in, for example, if I want to type 15, it must give me F. And now I'm gonna rerun the program, and I'm gonna write any random number. For example, if I want to type 256, it must give me 100. Well, that is okay. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna enter, and 100. That's it. And if what happens if I type in, for example, random number or anything like this, it will give me the value. It will convert this decimal number into the hexadecimal number. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is our hexadecimal number. Okay, let's try one more. For example, if I want to do something like this, let's see what happens. Yeah, you know, it would have taken us so it would have taken us a lot of time, but what we did, we utilized the machine power and did it within fraction of milliseconds. You know what I'm talking? Not even fraction of milliseconds, maybe, I don't know. Okay, I hope you can understand this code, and I'll be coming with another videos, and with that being said, and guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys understood the code, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, in this playlist. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.